What's up guys? Today I'm cleaning up my house in style.
I swear I like your style. Put you in Chanel cause it's just perfect for your smile. Girl, I swear for you I
Plates go here, cups go here.
It's crazy how we started out to what the love you can. You need me, say my
Veggie garden is looking good. And backyard.
It's 2 a.m. outside when I'm with you I feel way too.
Is clean.
You know you got me going crazy, baby. I just need to know that you will stay, please, yeah. With you I feel too high. I feel too high. Yeah. It's going on with you, I feel high.
It goes down the end.
You got me going crazy, stone cold up, but my blood keeps crazy. Ay. If you run, then I'm chasing. Girl, you number one, I know that you know you're amazing. Okay, I swear you got me high and I ain't talking about no drugs. So all I need is you, I swear you
That could have been a problem.
baby, I might come and steal your heart, I'll make a crime. See designer on your tie, Jesus, for your time, please, yeah.
That could have been a big problem.
Got me going crazy, baby. I just need to know that you will stay, please, yeah. It's 2 a.m. outside.
Really?
With you, I feel way too high.
Now Betty, what have I told you about leaving your toys on the stairs? They go in the basket.
It's going on with you, I feel high.
Well, my job is done. The house is sparkling clean. And as always, thank you very much for watching the video. I really do appreciate it. I wanted to get you guys a little something to show you just how much I love you all. If you did enjoy the video, please feel free to give it a like and even better, subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you next time. Bye. Come on. I forgot to play it cool. Good girl.